I'm Ben Creedy. I'm a partner here at Taylor-Siemens, and a big part of my practice has been representing people that have been injured in workplace accidents. And that's kind of a broad general term. That can involve a workers' compensation case, but can also involve what we call a third-party case, where somebody's hurt at work, but it's the fault of somebody else other than the employer. For example, a machine manufacturer that made a dangerous machine and caused the injury or the accident at work. Or it can be an insurance company or a parent company that comes in and does safety inspections there in the workplace. It can be a variety of different companies and third parties who are responsible for the workplace accident. And we've handled hundreds of these cases over the years, and we've gotten great results for those cases because we work really hard. We're not afraid to take our case to trial. We work our case up, we hire the right experts to help prove our case, and we take all of these steps necessary to get the best result for our clients. One case in particular I wanted to tell you about that we did a lot of good work in was a case that involved a factory here in town, and it involved a client of ours who was cleaning a machine. And the machine had a feature in it that caused the machine to turn on suddenly and unexpectedly after so much time had elapsed. Our client was going about cleaning the machine. He had shut the machine off. He had done all the procedures that were necessary to make sure the machine was off and stayed off. And during the course of his work, the machine suddenly and unexpectedly started and caused his severe injuries. Turns out, through our investigation, we found out that the computer system that operated that machine had a bug in it that caused the machine to start unexpectedly after so much time had elapsed. He was in his 30s. He'll never work again because of how bad this injury was. So we took the case, and at first it started off as a workers' compensation case, but as we started to dig and turn over all of the stones and conduct a more thorough investigation, what we learned is that his employer had a parent company, a company that was an umbrella that owned several different other companies. And the parent company was going in and doing safety inspections and controlling all of the different facets of safety at our client's plant and plants all across the world. They knew about the problem and they failed to fix the problem. We pursued that parent company and we were able to hold them responsible for our client's injury. And so we were able to take that and really build a case against the parent company that was able to get our client full and fair compensation. To illustrate what happened to our client, we actually built a model of the machine that he was working on at the time he was hurt. And we were able to visually depict for the jury how our client interacted with the machine and how the accident actually happened, so that they could see it vividly displayed in front of them. So that's just one example of how we handle cases here at Taylor-Siemens. We don't settle quick and we don't settle cheap. We pursue full and fair compensation for our clients against all responsible parties. So if you've been injured in a workplace, we'd love to talk to you about your case and how we can put our experience and our results to work for you and your family to get you full and fair compensation for your injuries. Call us today.